Hi, I'm Rick Ballard with Utility Composites. We're the manufacturers of RAPTOR composite fasteners. Today, I just want to take a little bit of time to introduce a couple tools that are used specifically for RAPTOR composite fasteners. This is the OMER B17P.763 Finish Nailer, and this is OMER B17P.763. Both of them are designed and work with RAPTOR 15 gauge finish nails. The 17P.32 will shoot nails ranging from a 1/2 inch on up to 1 1/4 inch, and the B17.763 will shoot nails ranging from a 1/2 inch up to 2 1/4 inches. Also, the B17P.763 has a magazine with a capacity of 85 nails, and the 17P.32 has a capacity of 60 nails. As with all OMER tools designed for RAPTOR composite fasteners, a bottle of tool oil is included with the tool. Please put a couple of drops into the air inlet before connecting your air hose. When loading the B17.763, you'll first want to pull back your pusher, turn the nailer upside down, and you'll load your nails from the rear of the gun. Slide them in, get your pusher and release it. Now it's loaded, you can connect your hose. Once you connect the hose, set the PSI somewhere between 70 and 100, and you're ready to start using. And with the B17.763 nailer, again, you have the nose safety, so you just press down and pull your trigger.